After that portions are over.
No. After that, we will study DDL commands. Then SQL chapter will get over. DDL. Okay. Very simple it is. So after this particular topic, we will practice either Ashwin or Achid or Aditya, Gauri, anyone, those who installed it, you can share the screen and practice it. Okay. Now let's sorting. Suppose the question is, in a class, the student's entry will be in roll number wise, isn't it? Roll number 1, 2, 3. But if you want to view the table details in ascending order of marks, that what will you do? Ascending order of marks or descending order of marks or ascending order of age. So in that kind of situations, if you want to use a query, you will be using a sorting method. What method? A sorting method. For the sorting, we will use one clause, that is order by, ORDER space BY, order by. Okay, that is used for sorting. Sorting can be in ascending order or descending order. Okay, so let's see that sorting. So normally when you write select star from EMP, it will come exactly in the same order how it is saved in the database. But if you want to sort the output based on certain conditions, then you can use order by. Clear? If you write a name and order by, what's the meaning of that, Krishnendran? Order by name, sort by name. What's the meaning of that?
Ascending.
Alphabetic order, isn't it? Alphabetic order. If we say that order by mark, then it will compare the numbers. By default, if you are not writing anything in the query, by default, the order will be ascending order. So this is how you will write an order by clause. Select star from EMP, order by name. After this order by, you need to write name. If you want, you can write where condition. That is up to you.
Ma'am.
Clear? Yes.
So automatically it will be ascending order.
Automatically it will be ascending if you haven't specified anything. If you want to do it in a descending order, then you need to write another keyword. Select star from EMP, order by salary, DESC stands for descending. This also you can write space by namespace ASC if you want. It's not compulsory. ASC means ascending, DESC means descending. All right. That's all for descending, ascending. So those who have installed MySQL, create this table. You need to create this table. First, what you have to do is you can copy down. You can copy down only these things. Then let's see how to do it. Draw only this, or you can draw only this The rest we will write. The heading of the column, heading of the table name, the table name is item. Okay, table name is item. And item number, item, D code, QTY, unit price, stock date. The first row information you can write. You can write, you can copy down in your book, because I will tell someone to share the screen. So this window won't be seen. So for that,
First we should create database.
no, you just draw this table with one row of data. Okay. Then I will tell you what to do. First, you
We should
draw
draw
this
in the
table.
paper.
Yes, in a paper.
Okay, ma'am.
You can do it in a paper first. Only one row of information. After drawing this table, you can write the statement to create the table. Create table command you can write. Once it is over, we can share the screen and we'll start doing it. Since it is an item, you can't do it in a school database, isn't it? School database is different, this is different. So you can create another database called company database company. So first you draw this table with only one row of information. Then you can write the command to create the table. Sorry, create the database. Then create the table. Item number, item, D code, QTY, unit price, stock
Ma'am,
date. Yes.
name of database.
Table name is item.
No, so we don't have to create database.
But database also you create. Write the command to create the database as a create database company or something else, anything. Supermarket, you can create a database with name supermarket. Anything you can do. Hope your drawing is over. Drawing. Is it over? Fast. One row of information you can add. Yes, Sachin?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Finished.
Yeah.
Krishnadran, fast. Now write the create table command. Create table command. To create the, first you write the command to create the database, then write the command to create the table.
We should give name as stationery.
Database name you can give according to your wish. Table name should be item.
Okay.
Data type, you can just see the values, then decide, you have to decide which should be the data type of that particular column. Ashwin, is that over?
No, ma'am, doing.
See, for the first item number is a number, right? So you can make it as integer. Second column is char or varchar with the length some 50. Decode is number. QTY is number. Unit price is number. Stock date is data type should be date. Clear? Item number is integer. Item integer int. Decode, sorry, item char or varchar. Decode int. QTY int. Unit price int. Stock date date. Once it is over, someone can share the screen and do the same thing in MySQL software. Adil, wanna try?
Ma'am, I didn't write the unit price, ma'am. The unit price. Can you share the screen again?
Louder, louder.
Ma'am, unit price. I forgot to note it down.
Unit price, then stock date.
Okay, ma'am.
So all are using laptop, I guess, except Ashish Benny. So you can create. Adul, are you sharing the screen? So others can create the table in the same way. Okay, good. So this is how you have to write. Item number as int, item varchar 20, decode int, qty int, unit price int. Okay. Dates should be enclosed in quotes. Okay. We insert few more rows, few more rows. Here we haven't made a primary key. Okay. If you want to make a primary key, there you have to do the type of table creation. Primary key option. Here also you change here. Here you change it. Two more rows. You can insert only one row at a time. When you're using this window. Otherwise, you can type everything in Notepad and you can copy and paste it here. That will also work. One more. The question will be to you, Krishna Chandran, after entering the details. So be ready. Are you entering the details? Are you creating the table?
Yes.
Okay. Once it is over, you can take a screenshot of this so that you can do it later. There's a print screen button on your keyboard. You can take the screenshot and paste it in Word. So we inserted 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Now, if you want to see the description of the table, what is the statement? Did I teach you that? Did I teach you that? In order to view the table structure, the command is DESC. DESC, write down, Atul. DESC. This is not DESC, C. C for cat, yes. This is not your descending order. This is something else. Describe. DESC space item. See, Atul, it's not case sensitive. If you use small letter I, it's okay. See, this is how you find the table structure. To find the to display the table structure, you use keyword DESC. Now the question to Krishna Chandran. Display, you have to write the query. The question I will tell you. Display the item details whose unit price is 100. Details of items. Who has a unit price? Which has a unit price 100. Krishnandran. Query.
Select from unit price.
Select.
Choose from unit price.
Select.
Choose unit price. Yes.
What are you saying? Select.
Select from.
Select full details. So star, isn't
Star.
it? Select star.
From unit price.
Hello. From, who will write from?
Oh, from unit price.
From
Unit price.
Krishna Chandran.
Star from item where unit price.
From
equal to
item.
100. Where unit price equal to 100.
Where unit price
Equal to 100.
equal to 100. Okay, we got the answer in that way. Next question to you, Achut. Display the details of item and ascending order of unit price.
Ma'am, select
Full
star
details. Star, yes.
from
Uh,
item
uh,
order by.
Very good. Order by.
Ma'am, what should we give?
Order by which column you need to order?
Full column, right?
No, display everything, but ordering should be done based on unit price column. So that column name you have to specify here.
Yeah.
Order by
unit
price. See the difference? Unit price, see the column values in unit price? 515. So the entire rows will be changed.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, clear? Now next question to Ashwin. Turn on your video. The question is, display, Ashwin, hello? 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 Ashwin is not there, it seems. Srihari, question.
Ma'am.
Ashwin, the question is, display the details of items whose item name starts with letter R.
Do I have to screen share?
Letter R. Ashwin.
Ma'am.
Uh,
Select star
uh,
and then from item.
mm.
Where?
Where?
Star.
Mm.
Letter R, right?
Letter R. Where?
Where name?
Name.
No.
Is there any column called name
Where
here?
item?
Item.
Like.
Oh, there's a confusion here because both the table name and column name is same. No, that's okay. Where item like?
Percentage R.
In codes. Is it percentage starting with R? This is ending with R. My question was starting with R. So R percentage. Here, the small letter and capital letter matters. Here in the ruler, R is capital letter. So you have to write R here as capital letter. Otherwise, you won't get the correct answer. Semicolon. Okay? Clear? Ashwin, is that clear to you? Ashwin. Srihari, next question to you, Srihari. The question is, display the item names whose quantity is between 100 and 200. Srihari, louder.
Select star from item.
Mm.
Where item between.
I have told, the question was display only the item names.
Select star from item, right?
I'm telling them to do. Select the item name, which is the column name for that?
Item name.
Is it item name or simply item? Item only, there is no name.
It's
Item from?
Select item from.
Yes, I know. From? What is the table name?
Table name is
Srihari, what is the table name?
I got confused, ma'am. I wrote something else in my.
Table name you can see here. Select star from item. So item is the table name.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so select item from item. So usually we don't give a table name and column name as same. But here it is, that is okay. Okay, from item.
Where?
Where?
Quantity. Between. What is the question?
Between 100 and 200.
Between 100 and 200.
Okay, so you can see there is no value QT, where there is no value 300. Ruler is not here in the answer, in the query output. Okay. Next question to you, Dia. Display the details from the item table in descending order of, sorry, The latest item, the latest stock taken item. Display the details of the items whose stock is taken the latest, with the latest date. Sorry, that you can't do. You have to use aggregate functions. We'll leave that. So the question is not that. In descending order of stock date, okay. So two conditions: display the details in descending order of the stock date, plus whose unit prices greater than 90 rupees. So the item, you have to display the items. Its unit price should be greater than 90 plus stock date in descending order.
Select item
Mm.
from item.
Mm.
Order by stock date. DSC.
The one thing. You have to write the where clause first. Okay. Where clause first you have to write. So remove it. Where
Order by
condition. What is the condition first? Where unit price greater than 90, then order by stock date
DSC.
DSC. We have only one column, isn't it? So nothing to order. Only one item is the notebook, so you don't have to order by stock date. Only one item with unit price greater than 90. Then another question, Ashish Benny, display the details of items whose item length is exactly 5 letters.
Select item from item like
Where
line
where item column name item like
line
like 5 letters.
lines
Length should be 5. Single quote. Underscore, 5 underscores. Okay. Semicolon. So you have only ruler 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as answer. Hope you understood, everyone. Is that clear, Emmanuel? Don't worry, I will ask you another question. Emmanuel, you can stop the share screen. Okay. Is that clear, Achyut?
Yes, ma'am.
So our questions were not that. So this is the question. These are the different questions. What is the time now? It's from 1 to 1:45, right? So you have enough time to complete it. So write the queries. In a book, in your paper, you can write down. You won't be getting this answer if you try it in your MySQL, because we haven't entered any values which is given in this paper, in that page. So these queries are based on the previous table, but you can write the queries. Emmanuel, are you there? Emmanuel?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you writing the answers?
Oh,
Why are you hiding? Write down the answers.
yes, ma'am.
Only there will be a confusion in the last question, right? A stock in the month of March. So you can use that hyphen, percentage hyphen 03 hyphen percentage. Okay? For the last question. Unique decode, you need to use distinct.
Ma'am, we have to just copy down the questions, right?
Louder, louder.
We have to just copy down the questions, right?
No, no, dear. You have to write the queries, answers. Tired of classes, which is the next period. Do we have any class after this?
No.
No. So this is the last class for
Yes,
today.
ma'am.
Home science,
Yes.
psychology.
Psychology.
Ah. So be patient, Achyut. After that, you can relax. So I will stop at 1:45. Then rest queries, you can do it. as a homework. Okay. Anyways, the question writing is over, right?
Yes,
So I'm
ma'am.
stopping the class. Okay. Thank you. And do it as a homework.
Thank you, ma'am.